How about that? Anything goes planned. So we back to square one. But you know what? I'm not tripping because I know still standing says exactly what we need to say. Doesn't matter what the label says or anybody else. Love my
This guy is crazy. If I hit you on the camera, you'll see yourself on the camera. Latoya, what you have for? I can't even see you anyway.
Don't put you better no shit like this.
Say it again. I dare you to say it again. That's what I thought, bitch. I had clapped there for a long time. Yeah.